Hello, I am Dr. Mousumi Pal, faculty member of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Sonarpur, Karbala. Today I am going to talk about procedure for obtaining environmental clearance. As per the pollution index, industries may be classified as red category where the pollution index score of 60 and above, orange category where the pollution index score is of 41 to 59, and green category where the pollution index score is of 21 to 40, and the industries having the pollution index score inclusive and up to 20 categories as white category. The environmental clearance has to be obtained from State Pollution Control Board and in some cases from SPCB as well as CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, and MOEF, Ministry of Environment and Forest. The permission given for establishing the project is called Consent for Establishment, CFE. The CFE given by the State Board in the case of certain categories of industries has to be approved by the MOEF. The process of giving CFEs is classified into two categories. Industries with small investments and will cause less pollution have to submit an application to the SPCB indicating the type of industry, type of products manufactured, nature of raw materials and chemicals will be used, site location, water usage, type of waste generation, environment management plan or EMP, and so on. A prescribed fees has to be paid. Then the board, after detailed review of the proposal and site inspection, if satisfied, issue the CFE. After the establishment of the industry, the board again inspects the project. If the industry has satisfactorily implemented the provisions of the CFE, a final permission known as Consent for Operation CFO will be issued when the industry can commence its production or operation. After that, the activities of that said industry will be regularly monitored by the board to ensure consistent implementation of environmental management plan. The industry has to submit an annual report about the environmental measures taken. Certain categories of industries such as thermal power stations, steel industries and chemical industries with large investments and the potential to cause heavy pollution have to prepare and submit an environmental impact assessment or EIA report. This report provides minute details about every aspect of the industry, site conditions, meteorological details of the area, the background details of the area, the background environmental settings. After an elaborate study of the report by technical experts, it will be subjected to public scrutiny through a process known as public hearing. After passing this step, the project will be cleared by the State Board and MOEF. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.